Now, we will show how to install OPCOM software. First, open OPCOM software in computer. Install software and driver directly as our video. Then click Computer Manager, Device Manager to check if driver installed well. Then you can open the software run as administrator. You can click Setting Test Interface to see the OPCOM firmware. And click Diagnostics. You will see the year of the Opel and OPCOM support, and also can check details, car models. We choose Automatic Vehicle Identification as example. Click KWP 2000 pin 7 to test it. You can know your car ring as radio show. Then click Diagnose ECM. You can get fault codes and cleaner fault codes and other operations.